Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lepczynski, DevOps engineer and AWS community builder. Today I have some exciting news to share with you about the AWS certification exams. AWS has announced the introductions of 3 new questions type: ordering, matching and case study. The first exams to include these new questions types are AWS Certified AI Practitioner and AWS Certified Machine Learning Engineer Associate. You are probably thinking, why? Well, I have a feeling that AWS want to reduce your reading time and test more critical concepts. Okay, I will show you. Let's dive into what this change means for you. Ordering questions. Ordering questions requires you to place a series of steps or a list of responses into a logical order. You will use a drop-down mechanism to select the correct order for a list of 3 to 6 questions to complete a specific task. In some questions, you will use all the response options. In other questions, you will use only some of the response options. Don't worry, instructions in the questions will indicate how many responses you need to select and order. What is important? You must select all the correct responses and place the responses in the correct order to receive credit for the questions. Matching questions. Matching questions include a list of 3 to 6 prompts and a list of responses to match with the prompts. We'll use a drop-down mechanism to select the correct responses for each prompt. In some questions, we will use each response one time. In other questions, you will use responses multiple times or not at all. Of course, the instructions in the questions will indicate how many times to use the responses. You must choose the correct responses for each prompt to receive credit for the whole question. Case study questions. For case study questions, you will read a scenario and answer 2 or more questions about the scenario. The scenario is the same for each question in the case study. Of course, each question in the case study will be evaluated separately. So, you have new questions but the same scenario, and you don't waste time. Of course, you will receive credit for each question that you answered correctly in the case study. Now, you might be wondering if this change will affect the overall exam structure. The good news is not much will change. The total number of exam questions and the standard allotted time will remain the same. Your score report will still include a pass or fail result, a percentage score by blueprint domain, and competency rating by domain. However, you won't get performance detail by question type. Demo available in August 2024. Curious to try out this new question type? You can demo the test-taking experience through AWS Test Delivery Provider Pearson View starting in August 2024. This will give you a hands-on feel for what to expect. During your exam, you can provide feedback on the new question type. There is a comments field in the top of the left corner of each exam question and survey at the end of the exam where you can share your thoughts. AWS values your feedback to continuously improve the certification process. Alright, that's all for today. I hope this overview helps you understand the new question types and how they can benefit your exam experience. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more AWS updates and DevOps tips. Also, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching and good luck with your AWS certification journey.